CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. gpresult. The gpresult command is a command line utility used to display the resultant set of policy, or RSOP information for a user or computer. Plainly put, gpresult helps you see which group policy settings are applied to a user or computer. Group policy is a tool used by network administrators to manage and configure operating systems, applications, and user settings. For example, an administrator might use group policy to enforce password complexity rules, deploy software, or set specific desktop backgrounds across all computers in an organization. Understanding which policies are applied is crucial for a few reasons. First, it helps troubleshoot issues. If a user is experiencing problems, such as not being able to access certain resources or applications behaving unexpectedly, knowing the exact policies applied can provide insight into whether the problem is configuration related. Second, it helps verify that configurations are correctly enforced. Administrators need to ensure that the policies they set are actually being applied to the intended users and computers. If policies are not being enforced as expected, it could lead to security vulnerabilities or inconsistent user experiences. The gpresult command provides a detailed report showing all the policies that are in effect for a specific user or computer. This report includes information about the policies applied, the source of the policies, and any filters that might affect policy application. Having this comprehensive overview helps administrators maintain control over their network environment and ensures that all configurations align with organizational policies. Suppose you want to generate a report to see which group policy settings are applied to the current user and computer. Simply open the command prompt and type gpresult/r. The /r option stands for report, and when you use it, gpresult generates a summary report that is displayed directly in the command prompt window. This report includes detailed information about the group policy settings that are currently applied to both the user and the computer. It shows the policies in effect, the source of these policies, and any filtering that might impact their application. The gpresult command is a useful tool for displaying the resultant set of policy, or RSOP information for a user or computer. It provides a detailed report that helps in troubleshooting issues or verifying that policies are correctly enforced. By using gpresult, you can quickly see which policies are in effect, making it easier to manage and configure network settings efficiently. This command is essential for IT professionals who need to ensure that group policy settings are applied as intended. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.